All right, yo. So I want to talk about a trading strategy that you can use to take short trades like this. Okay, I'm currently in a short from about $21,515, up about 38%. I have hit a take profit one, and I want to talk about how I was able to get into this trade right here because I think that this could help a lot of people identify good times to take a short. Now, first of all, I'm going to take a little bit of profit here. There we go. First of all, we need to always have a plan, okay? Shout out to Shady But Fresh, by the way. We need to always have a plan. The plan begins in the VIP Discord this morning when I was looking to take a short from daily open around 21,500, where we also had a golden pocket, a point of control, a value area high of the range. This was the beginning of why I was even looking for a short trade from that area in the first place. Okay, so this is not an arbitrary area where I took the short from. This is a predetermined area that I was looking for the setup in advance. Okay, this is actually the second trade that I've taken today. The first trade was this Chickens Drinking Water that I gave the setup during the VIP live stream this morning that we do every Monday, where we took out these highs with bearish divergences and we got a move to the downside from there. I actually just live streamed that trade in my previous live stream. But now we've got this second trade right up here. And so the first short trade that we took was this one right here, shorting this area. And now the second one is here. Again, it's because we have the level in advance. So step number one to trading this way is have that level in advance, have that set up in advance. Now, this was a Chickens Drinking Water trade, but I did not get the confirmations that I usually look for. Usually when I'm trading Chickens Drinking Water, I'm looking for bearish divergence on market cipher B. Now, if we go to the setup I gave here, you can see that I was wanting to see bearish divergence on the 12-minute time frame. Okay, but when we come and we look at our chart, we did not see bearish divergence on the 12-minute time frame. In fact, if anything, you could say that this looks very bullish on the 12-minute time frame. So why did I take this trade? There's a free tool out there called Coinalyze.net. And what Coinalyze.net can show you is it can show you the active participants in the market. Now, if you ever see something like this, where we have a key level, now keep in mind, this was a Fibonacci golden pocket retracement. This was a value area high of a range. We had a lot of confluences here, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw it on the chart here so that we can see more clearly. Where was that fib pulled from? Oh, it was this one right here. Okay, cool. Yeah. So now I have to go and adjust the fib so that we can see more clearly. But again, remember, step number one is identifying key levels on a chart, okay? So we knew that this was an area of confluence. We're not going to use this trading strategy just willy-nilly. No, we need to have a clear area of resistance, and right now we can see that we had a clear area of resistance at this Fibonacci golden pocket retracement. We're going to go back to our 1-minute time frame so we can really watch what happened in real time here. Now, you're going to go to Coinalyze.net and you're going to put on two indicators, okay? Two indicators. Indicator number one is going to be open interest, and indicator number two is going to be CVD. Okay, you're going to come over here to indicators, type in open interest, put that on. Come over to indicators, type in CVD, go ahead and put that on. And when you see that price is pumping up to a key level, and you notice that the open interest is going down like crazy, this is telling us, first of all, let's define what open interest is. Open interest is telling us, are there active participants in the market opening trades or not? If we get a move to the upside and open interest is coming down, that is telling us that this move to the upside is not fueled by new market participants stepping in and opening up long trades, but instead it's being fueled by shorts getting closed. Okay, this move to the upside was a short squeeze. Okay, shorts were getting closed. And what this is telling us is that there's no new volume coming into the market to sustain that move to the upside, which means it's very, very probable that if we do come to a key area of resistance and we see that the open interest is coming down like crazy as we pump up to there, which it absolutely was, we got that pump, open interest is coming down the entire time, it's very, very likely that we're going to reject from there. okay? And this is something you can use to kind of enter into scalp trades, even if you don't have market cipher confirmations, which I typically like to look for, because this is telling me right here that this move to the upside isn't a whole bunch of people stepping into the market longing Bitcoin. No, this is actually a whole bunch of shorts getting wrecked, getting stopped out of their positions, and there's simply not enough new traders coming in to sustain that move to the upside. Okay, if we come over to our order flow chart and ExoCharts. By the way, if you do want to learn order flow and stuff like that, you could check out the course, learn.jasoncaspertrading.com. There's a 15% discount in the description. This is a course that me and Boyan put together. Boyan is one of the traders in the VIP Discord. And if you do want to get into the VIP Discord where we post the levels and the setups every day, you can go to patreon.com/JasonCasper. But if we come over to our ExoChart template right here, we can also see that there's two things happening here. Number one, we can see that traders are closing out right here. This is showing us shorts. If the candles are turning purple, that means shorts are opening. If the candles are turning gray, that means shorts are closing. We can see as this move to the upside is happening, shorts are closing big time, right? And we can also see that we do have some longs opening. And then look at this. As soon as we hit that into our level, our daily open level, right? That's the level, again, that we were waiting for, right? The daily open, golden pocket, value area high, confluence, right? We're not just doing this arbitrarily, but we know there's a key level here. As we come to there, we can see some longs are opening up, okay? Massive amounts of shorts are closing. And then immediately we see a big move to the downside. All the longs that were opening up here immediately are under the water, have to be forced to close their position, and so that can give us confirmation to enter into the trade. And so this is a scalping strategy that I use from time to time, and I figured it would be helpful for other people to see how this looks, so that if you see something like this, you can also take advantage of the volatility in the market. So again, guys, the what we are going to be looking for is step number one: have a plan, have a level that you're looking for. And then step number two, as price comes to that level, I would always be looking for divergences. If we don't see divergences there, then be looking at coinlines.net, be looking at ExoCharts, see what's happening. Are a whole bunch of trades closing out? Is this just a big short squeeze that immediately results in longs being stuck up here and a whole bunch of shorts closing out? If so, it could make for a good scalp trade. So, guys, make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. God bless everybody in the name of Jesus the Messiah. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace.